Fuck yeah. It came out so good.
Pretty good, eh?
Fucking hard out. Damn. Damn. Fuck yeah. Your boy's a detailer now. Hit us up. Chucked on the wool pad. I'll give you an update. Let me finish it. Oh man. Oh man. I think I'm in love. I'm gonna chuck some of this bad boy on. Make it all hydrophobic in that. And then I need to clean up this absolute shithole. Right. I got stuff everywhere. I got half a car sitting around. Just you know. You guys always ask me, well, when's the Silvia done? I don't know, mate, when I sort my life out. Yeah. Had to fix all this cladding as well, so these boards don't warp. Had a few other things in life that have taken up attention, like that thing in the distance, but she's here and I'm happy because we can start getting the ball rolling. And then I haven't even gone through this. We've got just shit everywhere, and I need to sort out this wiring. It's diabolical. Yeah, just something needs to be done about all this. So yeah, but she's home. She is home, and that is exciting. Big fan. Yeah. How much is this slapping for, bro?
7k.
Actual?
No. How much should I get it for?
Nah, how much is it slapping for? Like, what are you selling it for?
7k, bro. 7k.
Ah! We on.
It's dirty right now.
Yeah.
Why are you fucking filming this, bro? I thought there's other Mitsubishis on this property that might be worth like.
Nah, bro, this is, bro, out of all the cars here, this is on, G.
This is cool, it's got a TV and shit.
Yeah, this is on.
It's like a Hummer, you know, if you look at the front, it's hard enough.
Yeah, look at that.
This is 4v11, yeah, Evo 10 motor.
Yeah, fuck that thing.
Yeah, what's that?
Look at this.
Red thing, though.
It's just been sitting here.
I'll just follow it.
Yo. We got Captain Cook's boat. Pretty tough. Could be post chest day feed. I've got the old 2 chicken and katsus. Oh, my bad. It's wasabi, bro. Case. Where's your feed, G? You're not on the bolt.
What do they call it when you're not on a cut or bolt?
Lean.
Main gaining?
I'll just bring my camera, to be honest. Could be tough.
GoPro quality is quite good though.
It is. Yeah.
It's not such a small thing.
What are we up to, like 9 or some shit?
Nah, bro, it's like a 12 or something, eh?
Fuck.
You know, and they've got like a 14 or something, I'm pretty sure. Bro, they're up to iPhone 17s now. Like, they're coming out this year. Yeah, crazy, yeah.
I'm still at 13 though. And I thought that was new.
Facts. I miss the old,
The 10s.
nah, iPhone 4S. That was my first iPhone. Bro, that thing was so goated. The glass back as well. It was like the perfect phone. And before that, the old Nokia's G and the brick phones.
Those are unbreakable.
They were mean.
Well, not really unbreakable because they just fall
Play a
apart,
Flappy
but,
Bird
like,
on them.
Tough, bro. Gonna stack it.
What even was it?
Mustang. Wait, should I tell them it was good? How's that?
It's alright. I just got
This reminds me of riding in Kingo's S14 in Japan. Yeah, same vibes. What up?
I need to grip up.
They crank, bro. It's a way better way to vlog it.
Yeah.
It's so low key.
It looks way better as well.
Fucking A, bro.
And it doesn't like wiggle when you turn.
Yeah, it's moving. It's just like D-Lo is.
Make sure you get Josh working so hard.
I will. He wants to kill himself. Good job, Josh. Keep it up, man. You're doing great. You're doing great.
I love it so much. I wake up and I want to do wiring all my life.
You guys like better.
Lads are onto it. Cranking.
That's if I knew what to do.
It's got tape in it, my bro. So much shit in here.
So it's the Chinese people that always say, you got
Who did your tubs with? Was this MS?
It was,
Or DS Custom Works?
yeah, DS Custom Works made the kits for it, yeah.
See down in Christchurch.
I don't know where it is, bro. I just ordered off his website and he shipped it to me.
Man. They suit this car, bro. They suit this car. Like the longer tubs for the 1J.
Because it matches out the
Yeah,
leg.
bro. Yeah, it suits it.
Oh, your one's a little bit shorter.
Yeah, mine are.
haven't
Yeah,
actually
mine are
seen
way
yours,
shorter. They're like up to here, bro.
Oh, shit.
But they're like kind of curved.
Yeah, yeah. No, I do like yours as well.
Yeah, I just wanted them to like complement the kind of keep it sort of OEM look. You know?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the Macmillan Blue Turbo.
Greetings. Yeah, tough.
The powder coat goes hard.
How the coateurs don't go hard.
Oh, fuck. That's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. might as well.
My favourite YouTubers are still ones that stick on iPhones.
Yeah, bro, just like lazy GoPro, like it's so low key. Yeah. I just I slapped the old rocker cover I had on it so it doesn't get shit in it. Minis are on, so she's ready to go in. Okay. Got the bro here. Yeah. Oh no, broken! Not good!
There's a bit of that in the car. 25 to 30 different clipper rags in it. Get a stand off the ground.
Fuck, these haven't been undone for a while.
So I was like, things like, fuck, you just smack it hard with the reaction or something? I'm like, even then it shouldn't.
So to get these fuel lines on the side, I have to drop the rack, get enough clearance so I can take this fucking column out, and then put these fuel lines over here where they're meant to be, and then put it all back together so that we can put the engine in.
How good? Having to drop the subframe because can't get the steering rack off. Column off. I'll explain it to you in the vlog. Is we've got everything ready, but we're just missing the exhaust side engine mount bracket.
How good. I love that.
Do you have anything to say about that? What was it?
That's gay as fuck. What, you want me to find the S14 exhaust side engine mount?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And get a KZN 165 speedo while you're at it, you fucking dog.
Check if there's one on the ground at City Fitness Albany.
Oh, check the locker
You
rooms.
might get lucky.
Yeah, check the locker rooms.
Alright, shop bro.
Yeah, I'll check the locker room.
Yo,
Yeah.
come to Waitoki.
What is it? What?
Just come. Right, I had to go to Waitoki to find this old dog. Do you guys remember this? I'm talking to my my viewers.
Oh, yes.
14 mil, bro. Ooh.
The spanner work.
A socket would be easier, but I mean, should I just jump?
There's a deep socket 14.
Sure, bro. Hey, welcome to my part of the vlog. We have a fire.
Yeah. What we don't have?
Oil.
I love the GoPro.
They're mean, eh?
Yeah, bro.
Good feedback. Yeah.
Come on, why you stop?
Oh. What does the rest of the song go? Oh.
Yes.
Don't let go.
Precisely.
The rest of the song goes. Hold on. Let
Go
me
get oil
Why?
for the vlog.
Oh, you should come on.
I couldn't possibly have another sacrifice.
Time to oil up Sir Crab.
They call him C. Rab.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, bro. Look at tough POV. But like, yeah. Should I like strap it? That'd be so tough. That would be such a good. Welcome back to another Samet vlog. Lazy on this thing here.
Just a little bit.
Oh, tested out that hydrophobic ceramic coating, mother.
Straight off onto your floor.
Nah, it would just like slide off. Is this vlog material? I reckon.
I agree.
Damn.
Wait,
Pretty
Leon?
stoked
Go
there.
on. Eh? Go on.
Get that shot of bro.
This ain't the rocker cover I'm running, by the way. We're like, this is temp one. I think I said that already. All this is getting powder coated. You see the vision now? You see the vision? I haven't filmed an awful lot today, but what have I achieved? I've just spent a couple hours this afternoon just tidying random stuff up. These little brackets and taking the pulleys off, and I've got all the parts that I want to get powder coated. Just finishing off this. And sorting this out in the next week or two. That's in there. You would have seen that last night. Pretty stoked. Cleaned up a couple of things. Alternator. Yeah, just like general tidy up stuff, I want to make sure everything that goes back in is like to the spec I want it to be. Like even the little things like the wiper motor. Polish this up, and I'm going to tidy up this plug because it's a bit ugly. But yeah, it's not bad.